whispers of the phantom train still echo through abandoned tunnels, a chilling urban legend. Cities are more than just concrete and steel. They hold forgotten stories and unsolved mysteries. Beneath the bustling streets lie secrets that have captivated imaginations for generations. These urban tales often weave threads of the unexplained into the fabric of everyday life. They speak of strange occurrences and enigmatic figures that linger in the city's shadows. Many of these mysteries have no simple, rational explanation, adding to their allure. This exploration delves into the heart of one such enduring urban enigma. Imagine a city where a specific, recurring anomaly defied all logical understanding. For years, residents reported a peculiar phenomenon that seemed to bend the rules of reality. It began subtly, a fleeting glimpse or an odd sound in the periphery. Then, the occurrences grew more pronounced, affecting entire neighborhoods simultaneously. Witnesses described impossible sights and sensations that left them deeply disturbed. Investigators were baffled, unable to find any conventional cause for these events. They scoured the area for physical evidence, but found nothing tangible to explain it. The sheer consistency of the reports across diverse groups was remarkable. But that's not the strangest part of this unfolding enigma. The anomaly seemed to follow a specific, almost predictable pattern. It would manifest during certain atmospheric conditions, baffling meteorologists. Some theorized it was mass hysteria, but the shared details contradicted this. Others whispered of otherworldly influences or ancient curses awakened. One particularly unsettling account involved objects vanishing and reappearing inexplicably. Wait until you hear what comes next in this unfolding mystery. The affected areas often experienced a profound sense of unease or dread. Even hardened skeptics found themselves questioning their own senses. It was like a veil was lifted, revealing a hidden layer of reality. The phantom train legend, for instance, speaks of spectral passengers. These stories suggest a connection between the city's past and its present. The implications of such phenomena extend far beyond mere curiosity. They challenge our understanding of the world and our place within it. If these urban legends hold any truth, what else might be hidden? Could our cities be alive with unseen energies and forgotten echoes? The persistence of these tales suggests a deep human need to believe. We seek patterns and explanations for the inexplicable occurrences. These stories serve as a reminder that not everything is easily categorized. And then something unexpected happened that shifted everything. A group of amateur investigators decided to apply a new approach. They focused on correlating subtle environmental shifts with the reported events. Using advanced sensors, they began mapping energy fluctuations across the city. Their findings were astonishing, revealing a faint, rhythmic pulse. This pulse seemed to intensify just before the strange phenomena occurred. It was like tuning into a hidden radio frequency of the city itself. The data suggested an intricate, unseen system at play, but the source of this mysterious energy remained elusive. Could it be geological, atmospheric, or something far more unusual? The investigation revealed that the pulse was strongest near old, forgotten sites. These locations often held historical significance, adding another layer of intrigue. The energy signature also seemed to react to specific sound frequencies. This led to speculation about resonant frequencies influencing perception. It was akin to a symphony, only certain elements could perceive. The findings provided a framework, but not a definitive answer. The city's mysteries continued to unfold, deeper and more complex. The true impact of these urban enigmas is how they make us feel. They evoke wonder, fear, and a profound sense of the unknown. These stories connect us to a collective human experience of mystery. They remind us that the world is still full of surprises. The urban landscape becomes a canvas for untold narratives. Every shadowed alley and forgotten building could hold a secret. The enduring power of these tales lies in their unanswered questions. They encourage us to look beyond the obvious and question reality. The city is a living entity, breathing secrets into the night. These narratives are the city's soul, whispered through time. The most compelling urban tales are those that remain just beyond our grasp. If you found these urban mysteries captivating, please subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments which city legend you find most intriguing. If you found these urban mysteries captivating, please subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments which city legend you find most intriguing.